Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my slime collection. And as you can tell, I just came out of the shower. Anyways, so you can probably see me from the mirror. Anyways, so today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys my slime collection. And as you can see, there's this box, and that is where all my slimes are and trials. I know I only have a few bits of slime, but we'll just work with that. So I'm just trying to find somewhere to sit because I don't really have anything to sit on because they're all used. I'm using them all. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna take this. Okay, so don't really have some luck, but BRB. See guys, I finally found a chair. Anyways, so let's get on with my slime collection. So yeah, let's go. Anyways, so I have a bit of slime. I only have like 2 or something. Anyways, so this box is where my slimes are. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my favorite slime. This one's called gingerbread slime. I don't know why I called it gingerbread slime, but for today, I'm gonna be doing 2 videos. So if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing the same clothes, it's because it's in the same day. Anyway, so it's called gingerbread slime, and it has a gingerbread man there, and it's a pink slime. Sorry for that sound, it was just because of the thing that I'm sitting on. So I'm just gonna put in some extra light to turn my light on. Anyways, so I really like this slime. It's a cute little gingerbread. Okay, come on, I just wanted to focus on this. Okay, just wanted to focus on this, anything else. So there it is. It's really cute. It's a small little charm, so yeah. This one's like a butter slime or something. And also, I did not make it though. Just saying. Anyways, so it's this really nice butter slime. All the light is going in, over there, not here. Anyways, so I just want. Okay. So something that I like about it is because it's a butter slime, and I love butter slimes. Come on. I'm just going to take everything out because I'm the one that's wrong, because it's just an extra container. So I really like this slime. It's it's kind of like brown, you would have to say, but in real life, it's kind of brown. That's why I named it turtle slime. It's like a little bit brown. Let's see, it's kind of like brownish, pinkish, like a strawberry banana smoothie. Anyways, that's it for that slime. So, yeah. So, if you guys are wondering where I keep all my charms, it's all in this egg. It used to be in a different container, but I needed it, so yeah. This next slime this is where the charms used to be, but yeah, I needed it. Anyways, there's another charm there. This slime is a little sticky. Okay, so it has a sunflower slime, and it has a sunflower charm in it, and this slime is called, I forgot what it was called, but it's a gold slime. I tried to make it like gold slime, but it's just a normal clear slime with tons of glitter. It's like a little bit sticky. So, I mean, I don't know why it could spread, but it's not a butter slime. But, yeah. It was actually named, like, sunflower slime. Yeah, because of how it looks like. Because of the yellow and the brown. Because some people think that yellow and brown makes gold. But, and this color is what it will look like. It's kind of like yellowy brown. Anyways, so yeah, those are the two slimes. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys on my next video. And also, if you want to be part of this unicorn squad, then make sure. Then all you need to do is comment down below. Or is it like this? Anyways, hashtag unicorn squad, and then there's just a little itty bitty horn on your forehead. And if you want it to grow, then all you need to do is press that subscribe button and turn on that post notifications to be notified whenever a new video posts. Anyways, so that will make your unicorn horns grow. And now, to make you have some wings, then all you need to do is press that like button, and you will be a Pegasus. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna say it's the best squad to be in. Anyways, bye guys. See you on my next video.